Cloning is a powerful tool for creating new apps from existing apps. Let's learn more about its capabilities. We will begin on the Edit page of a demo app. Here we are in the Actions tab of an app configured as a digital business card. If you look at the preview on the right, there is an employee section with contact information, a V-card, and a contact form in the upper section. Below that, there is a corporate section of the app with a contact menu, a website link, a lead form, and social links. Basically, the top section of the card is unique to the employee, and the bottom section will be common to all employees. To make a V-card for a new employee, we will go to the More tab in the navigation bar at the top and tap Clone. Here we will see a list of all the actions in this app listed by name. And you'll see we have three options beside each of these actions. One is to use the existing action, which means that at the end of the copy, there will only be one action in the library, and it'll be the same in both apps. And if you change it, it'll change both apps. There is a create a copy option, which will create a new action for the new app. And I'm going to tap this because the new employee will have a different menu. We also see that when I open the menu, I will see the three actions inside that menu. So I have the option of copying or using the existing one there too. I'm going to copy all three of these because the new employee will have a different phone number, email address, and LinkedIn address. I also have an option to exclude any action that I do not want to copy over to the new app. The V card and the contact form will be unique to the new employee. Everything below that will be common to all employees in the company, so I'm going to use the existing option on each of these. I'm going to save these settings. I'm going to go up and I'm going to create a new app now. I'm going to choose a domain of link bio, but of course the company could upload their own domain and have their employee cards utilizing their domain. Let's name this employee Jim Wells and create an app with the app ID of Jim Wells. Now we're going to review the settings for all the actions. They are verify that they're set the way we want. And then at the top is a very important section. Here we're going to add a tag, Jim Wells, and we're going to add a action name extension of Jim Wells. It's best practices to use the app ID of the new app as a tag and a name extension when we create a new app. This tag and name extension will apply to all the actions that are copied, so they'll all have this tag. That way in our library we can always sort for all the actions that are unique to Jim Wells, and the name extension will give these new actions a different name. It'll also allow us to search by this name. Here we're going to copy the app, and we've now created a new app, and we just can now make it unique to Jim. So if we upload a new photo here for Jim, and I can go back later and change the name and title. But let's go back to the Actions tab. Let me save this right quick. Let's go back to the Actions tab, and here I can open the menu, and here's where I would. You see that I have this name extension on each of these names, and here I will go change the phone number to Jim's phone number, add Jim's email address, etc. And at the end of the process, I will have a unique app for Jim Wells. Notice these ones. This means that this action is unique to this app. If you go down to the corporate sections, these actions show a 2. This action is used in 2 different apps. So if I change the company's website link, it'll change in both these apps and in every app that uses any of these actions. That's it for a quick overview of cloning. Thank you for watching.